students. Today we are going to see a interesting example. We have to express characteristic polynomial of the matrix AI plus BI, where A is a square matrix of order n. If you want, I will mention here. So we have to express the characteristic polynomial of the matrix AI plus BA in terms of the characteristic polynomial of A. So I will write here characteristic polynomial of AI plus BA is given by, so it will be given by determinant of xi minus, since it is a characteristic polynomial of AI plus BA, so I will have this term which will be further equal to determinant of so removing the bracket, so minus AI minus BA, which is further equal to determinant of so it will be x minus AI minus BA, right, which is further equal to this can be written as, so since I have to express it in terms of characteristic polynomial of A, you know characteristic polynomial of A look like this. Simply I have changed the variable to lambda because we are already dealing with the variable x. So it is given by determinant of lambda I minus A. So you can see the coefficient of A is -1. So same thing I want. So I'll take this B out of the determinant sign. So if you take this B out of the determinant sign, yeah. So since that B I am taking out of the determinant sign, so how many times it will come out? Since we are dealing with determinant, so it means we are taking it out from each row, you can say, or from each column. So it will come out n times. So it will be b raised to n. Determinant of what will be left out inside, it will be x minus a upon b, and it is going to be I minus what? A. This is the only trick that you are supposed to remember here, and which is equal to, now I am going to call it as a determinant of, I will call that x minus a upon b as some lambda. So determinant of lambda I minus a, where your lambda is nothing but x minus a upon b. So over here we have expressed the characteristic polynomial of ai plus ba in terms of what? Characteristic polynomial of A. So what I will say here, therefore characteristic polynomial of AI plus BA in terms of x, variable x I will say, is equal to b raised to n times characteristic polynomial of A in terms of variable lambda, which is equal to what? X minus a upon b. So that's all about this problem.